You know what I like? Someone who wears a mask when they shop for their essential items.
You know what tickles my fancy? Someone who washes their hands for 20 seconds.
You know what really jazzes me up? Someone who stands 6 feet away from me.
Hey, I'm gonna stand over here.
You know what really revs my engine? Someone who reaches out for resources when experiencing hardships from COVID-19 by calling COVID Help Now, where you can get support for a variety of situations.
For more information, visit Idaho Strong on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Call or text 986-867-1073 to speak to a representative or call toll-free at 866-947-5186. COVID Help Now. Here to listen, here to help.